Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and I had some low pressure after installing a new water heater, and so I wanted to show you a few things that I checked. Again, consult a professional about this. Don't take my advice. I don't give any advice. I'm just showing you for demonstration what happened in my case. But basically, very simply, we got a water pressure tester and hooked it up to where we had some spouts. So the first thing you want to do is take one of these gauges and hook it up to a faucet. So any of the garden ones like this that it will thread onto will work. And the first thing you want to do is know how much pressure you currently do have. So we're going to go ahead and turn the water on here, and simply it'll just tell you what you're at. So anywhere from 40 to 60 is kind of normal. This is actually closer to the street, so it was coming up just under 80. Another good place to do it is at the water heater. And so when you thread that on, be careful because the water, of course, will be really hot coming out. So we just turned the valve, and this one came out right under 60, which is pretty good where it should be. And notice on this valve, you'll want it to come straight or it will close again if you turn it too much. So turn that back off and be very careful that you don't burn yourself as you turn it off. Out at the street, we checked the pressure as well, just under 70, good there. You can also go into your washer and dryer and hook it up to one of those attachments too. And where you would regulate the pressure, usually you'll have in here a regulator, but I would not mess with this and turn it up, especially if it already is turned up. You might have another underlying problem, which we did. So basically what I would suggest, if your pressure is coming out good, is go to your faucets and unscrew them. And what you're going to do is look down and see if there's any buildup. And so as you can see here, there's just a few small little specks that really shouldn't cause any problems. And then you can test the water too and see how it comes out. In this case, it was coming out perfectly strong. But you want to look at any areas of buildup. So on the bottom side that you don't see, there's some inside these little screens come out, and I cleaned that as well. That definitely helped a little bit. And with a wire stainless steel cleaner, I did clean it up. And so this goes in with the net first, and then the O-ring goes on top, and then you just screw it back on. So make sure you don't lose any of those. But I had some really low water pressure in one of our other kitchens, and look at how bad this was. It was definitely gunked up with other stuff. So that's all that it took was cleaning that out. So anyway, this was after a new water heater replacement. So all of a sudden, out of nowhere, it happened. So sometimes it's not what you think. So just be very careful when you do it and make sure you don't flood anything. So if you like this video, please check the playlist where I have other videos that are similar to this. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.